What are you bringing?
It's the Master Grade Wing Gundam Zero in like EW Ver.Ka. It's a Ver.Ka kit.
It's a Ver.Ka kit. The Ver.Ka kit's like some of the most popular that Gundam do, right?
Yeah, it's
or
like
that Bandai do.
It's like special design. It's like refreshing, like redesigned iteration, another iteration of the unit.
Yeah.
From the TV original design. So
and Ver.Ka is an artist or a design house, right?
The designer is like Katomi.
Is that who you're going to work for?
I hope so.
Yeah?
I hope so.
What are they going to call it? Ver.Kawa? Yeah? Ver.Kawa?
Yeah, so it's actually the first Master Grade I built ever before. Like literally the first one. So yeah, it's a very easy to build kit and very nicely designed. I mean, like, who the hell can say no to big wings like on the Gundam?
You do love big wings on your Gundams, don't you?
Yeah.
And he's a goodie.
Yeah.
And he's got massive cannons.
It is. It has. Oh my god. Let's have a look at.
You want to have a look?
Yeah.
Let's have a look.
Yeah.
We'll put us in the corner down there.
Yeah.
What are we looking at?
Like how beautiful the box art is, right? It's a.
Well, you're an artist, so you really appreciate this stuff, don't you?
Yeah. And it's actually a transformable unit. So
it's fully posable.
Yeah, fully posable. Like.
Is it?
Yeah. It can transfer into like a nail bird mode. Looks like a bird, but I would say it's like more like an airplane or something.
Wow.
A flying jet.
Look
Yeah.
at the color. I get gobsmacked every time I open one of these kits because the color palette is just amazing.
Yeah, it is.
Almost like a pearl white.
It is. Yeah.
And it's textured. It's not gloss.
It's like semi-gloss.
Yeah.
I can't tell, but it's like in between the semi-gloss or gloss or whatever. Yeah. And we have that's a wings part.
Yeah.
So it has two different set of wings.
Two different sets of wings.
Yeah. So it's fully postable, so you can adjust the angle of the feathers. Yeah. Very good looking.
Does it come with water slide?
It does.
Is that normal?
It's not a water slide. It's like more like a sticker or something.
Is it a sticker? It looks like water slide.
It's not a water slide.
It's not water slide. Okay.
Yeah.
There you go.
Yeah, and that's the transparent part for the head or the cockpit, I believe.
Yeah.
And that's the feathers over there. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the feathers.
That's the feathers for him.
Yeah. And we have
Got a few different hands.
Yeah. And because it has a very iconic pose, like holding two cannon gun together.
Yep.
Like a shooting pose. So they specially designed a gimmick on the shoulder to letting you bending the arm forward. Like,
bending the arm forward as well.
Yeah, to do the pose. Very impressive.
You love this one?
Yeah, I love this one.
Do you think we've got enough of them? Probably not.
Probably. I would say it's a very nice gift idea. If you know nothing about Gundam and you want to give someone a Gundam.
And these haven't been around for a while, have they? They've been
Yeah, it's like hundreds of times because they're so popular. Like it's like a must-have.
It's a must-have.
Yeah, it's a must-have.
A Gundam must-have.
Yeah.
All right, we'll fix it up nicer after.
Yeah.
And what was the other one? This one
God.
here. Am I allowed to show?
Yeah.
Are you sure? You do it. I don't know. You do it.
Okay.
The suspense is killing me.
So we finally got something reproduced, like around almost 10 years. It used to be a very hard to get kit from Zeta series.
From the Zeta series.
Yeah, which is my favorite series. And let's do it. Look at how big this.
The-O.
Yeah.
PMX-003.
Yeah, it's called D-O. D-O or something.
The-O.
D-O.
Oh, The-O.
Yeah, D-O. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. It's oh my god. It's like,
what size is it? 1 in 60.
It's a master grade, but the unit itself is like almost 2 times bigger than the general ones.
Really?
Yeah. That's why they have such a massive box.
That's what I'm thinking.
Yeah.
So he must be like this big.
Yeah, supposed to be that big, but it's like, oh.
And he looks like a baddie.
It is.
Oh.
Nice guess. Yeah, correct.
But he's a colourful. I love the baddies because they look. Let's have a look and see if we can't get a focus on here. No, sorry, I've got the box upside down.
Are you switching the camera?
Let's have a switcheroo over here.
Yeah.
Have a look at this guy. No?
Yeah, it's a very...
He's a chunkamunka.
It It is.
No, look at him.
Yeah, very different style.
Looks like he
completely-
would
yeah.
stand up easy. He's got big feet.
Yeah. Very heavy.
Action
with it.
pose.
Yeah.
And what's this one? What he looks like he's sitting. What's he got on the back? Is that power pack or what?
That's yeah, more like a power pack. It's like he got a very giant skirt armor, so it somehow looks like a flying jet or something at the back.
And it's got a gimmick.
Yeah, yeah, a lot of gimmicks, and yeah, and I'm very impressed with the box art with this one. It's like I would say like 50% of the price is worth for the for the box itself.
For the box art itself.
Yeah, it's like yeah, if you look into the box art, you got the D-O at the center, and you got Hyakushiki, like and Kyubile. It's like the final thing of the final battle.
The final battle
Yeah, the
of
final,
Zeta
yeah,
Gundam.
Yeah, of Zeta Gundam. Yeah.
Does he win or does he lose? He's a
Lose.
baddie. He probably loses. Right?
Lose it.
The baddies always
Yeah,
lose.
Yeah.
He's got laser.
Mm,
Does that come in the kit?
yeah.
Oh,
It has a. Oh my god! It is like it has a very specially designed, like a skirt armor. So it has a like an invisible, folded under the skirt
Yeah.
at the front. So when